2023, a farmer in Jammu and Kashmir lost his son due to the explosion of a landmine that was buried decades ago while they were plowing their field. However, such incidents are not isolated. They are echoes of war that still harm several innocent civilians and soldiers alike.
Inspired by these stories, we are the team Agile Avengers from R&D Engineering College who are set out on a mission to create a safer tomorrow using the power of technology. We are here to present our project, a Hawkeye drone, a UAV design, advanced landmine detection and autonomous navigation. And my team members are myself Madhumita, Naomi Krishna, Jay Balaji and Krishna Vishwa. And our mentor is Dr. P. Santoshni.
Our Hawkeye is a fully functional UAV, unmanned area vehicle used to find metal and plastic landmines using our thermal cameras and magnetic sensors. So our Hawkeye can fly over high-risk areas and detect all the landmines in the surrounding area and send the GPS coordinate back to our systems. So using this transmitter, we can fly our drone, and without this transmitter also we can fly by autonomous mode. So by inserting all GPS coordinates inside our laptop, inside our software, we can use our drone to fly autonomously too, so that it can detect all the landmines over there in the area and just send the GPS coordinates where all the landmines are detected. Our Hawkeye drone is powered by Raspberry Pi, Pixar controller and smart sensors, making it intelligent, accurate, which can be used in real world use, so especially for soldiers and civilians in dangerous zones.
Our Hawkeye drone is basically designed in the form of scalable and reliable. How in the sense, we can add more drones to detect the large areas, and also the sensors can be changed or upgraded based on the environment, whether the environment in the form of farm areas or in the terrain or in the disaster sites. During the flight conditions, the sensors and the batteries or the data will be detected. If there isn't any wrong is going into that, it will return back to the base station. And we made a thermal and the metal detection, both together work in the loop. It will detect and give the data accurately.
We don't just fly drones, we fly ahead of disasters.
Where the threat is underground, we bring the sky to find it.
Our mission isn't about power, it's about precision.
No arrow, no seal, just code and precision.
This is Team Agile Avengers.
Signing off with purpose.
Thank you.